practice questions with answers. Welcome to Bright Mind English. Today's video, grammar exercises. Improve your grammar, improve your life. Let's begin the journey. Read each question carefully. Pause the video and try to answer. Answer will be revealed with explanation. Count your score. Part 1. Warm up. Simple tenses. Fill in the blanks. He blank go to school every day. They blank play football now. I blank finish my homework yesterday. She blank not oblique like coffee. Pause here and try to answer these questions. Answer with explanation. He blank go to school every day. Everyday habits here. Simple present. So add es with verb go. Hence the answer is he goes to school every day. Next, they blank play football now. Here action happening now. So present continuous tense. So you should write they are playing football now. I blank finished my homework yesterday. As yesterday is simple past, so you should write I finished my homework yesterday. She blank not oblique like coffee. Negative in simple present. Doesn't plus base verb V1. She doesn't like coffee. Remember here, in these 4 questions, you should observe or notice carefully last word every day, now, yesterday, and not plus like, not oblique like. First example, every day. It implies everyday habits, so goes. Second, now is continuous form, so are playing. Yesterday, simple past, finished. Oblique like, doesn't like. Here no indication future and past. Part 2, subject verb agreement. Exercise. The list of items blank on the table. Neither the teacher nor the students blank present. Everyone blank happy today. 10 kilometers blank a long distance. Bread and butter blank my favorite breakfast. Answer on the next slide with explanation. The list of items blank on the table. Here subject is list, not items is subject. So as the list is subject and subject is singular, so answer should be is. The list of items is on the table. Neither the teacher nor the students blank present. Here see subject verb agreement rules. When using the correlative conjunction neither nor, the verb agrees with the noun closest to it, which in this case is plural nouns students. Therefore, a plural verb are is needed to agree with students. So, answer are. Answer should be are. Neither the teacher nor the students are present. Everyone blank happy today. Everyone is singular. So, answer should be everyone is happy today. 10 kilometers blank a long distance. Distance or measurement treated as singular. So answer should be 10 kilometers is a long distance. Is. Bread and butter blank my favorite breakfast. Bread and butter is one dish, singular subject, singular verb. Bread and butter is my favorite breakfast. Is. Part 3, common confusion exercise. I would rather blank at home. She prefers tea blank coffee. I am happy to blank your student. He seems to blank upset. Answer on next slide with explanation. See it. Notice it carefully. Explanation. I would rather blank at home. After would rather, we use the base form of the verb, no to or other preposition. So answer is stay. I would rather stay at home. She prefer tea blank coffee. Prefer A to B is correct structure. she prefer tea to coffee. I am happy to blank your student. After happy to we use infinitive verb. B. I am happy to be your student. He seems to blank upset. Seems to is followed by the verb be before an adjective. He seems to be upset. Follow for more updates. Bright Mind English. Happy study. Keep learning. Keep growing. Like, share, comment.